Want to know what products your customers are adding to cart and potentially abandoning? Setting up e-commerce conversions in GA4 can help you find this data. Hi, and welcome back to Munalytics. This is part 3 in my GA4 conversion series where I will be talking about how to set up e-commerce conversions. Just as a prerequisite, it's really advanced to try and do this from scratch. It's not something that we will be covering off in this video. The majority of what we will be doing is leveraging some of the most popular platforms, which can help us automatically send information to GA4, specifically e-commerce information. The two main platforms we are covering in this video will be Shopify and WooCommerce. If there are any other platforms that you're using, leave a comment below and I can try and respond with how you can track in those situations. With that in mind, let's jump into Shopify. But I'm currently in a store on Shopify. This is what you are normally greeted with at the back end. What you will need to do is go to online store, click on preferences, and under Google Analytics, click setup Google. Install the app, connect your Google account, and select the analytics property you want it to connect to. Click connect, and you're done. Once this is set up, this will fire some of the most popular e-commerce events such as view items, add to cart, begin checkout, payment info, and purchase info. Purchase is by default a key event in Google Analytics. If you feel the need to add others to key events as well, you can do so. Let's move on to how to set up e-commerce conversions in WooCommerce. On the back end of your WordPress site, go into WooCommerce, click on extensions. So what you will do is under WooCommerce, search for Google Analytics. Click on this one, click add to store. Enter the store, click connect store, connect your store. Okay, and we finally got it installed. So we're going to go to Google Analytics for WooCommerce, click on settings, and all we need to do is enter our analytics tracking ID. The way we can find this is once you log into Google Analytics, go to admin, go to data streams, click on this data stream, and it's your measurement ID. Lovely little copy button next to it. Click on that, paste it in, and click save changes. And that's pretty much it. We will now see various e-commerce events being fired into analytics for us. As a note, for other systems, I would highly recommend Googling first and checking what is the easiest way to install it. A lot of the big e-commerce platforms have a way to just type in your analytics ID and automatically send events. For other systems, it may be using the data layer to fire some of the events. Again, it should automatically be picked up in analytics if it is doing that. I wouldn't recommend trying to build this out from scratch. It's super duper advanced, and unless you have a dev working with you, it won't really be possible. If you have any questions or concerns with e-commerce tracking, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.